Welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Ben, and today's episode is designed especially for beginners who want to learn English but aren't sure where to start. If you want to make progress but don't know what to do first, I have a different plan for you. One that will make learning English feel easy and maybe even fun. Let's get started. First, let's talk about something very helpful called a theme. A theme is simply a topic or subject you can talk about, such as food, home, family, shopping, or the weather. The idea is to choose just one theme each week. Not many, just one focus. This helps you understand and remember more while feeling less tired. For example, if you pick the theme, food, for the week, you'll focus on food-related words. Listen to short English clips about food and practice speaking or writing simple sentences like, I eat rice, or my mom cooks chicken. You won't study everything at once, like verbs, grammar, clothes, and animals all in one day. Instead, you focus on one theme, and day by day, your brain builds stronger connections. The next week, you might choose home and learn words like bed, door, window, and kitchen, making sentences such as, I sit on the sofa, or I clean the kitchen. Another week could be about feelings, with words like happy, sad, tired, and excited, and sentences like, I feel tired today, or she is happy. This slow but strong learning method is like building a house. One room, one theme at a time. Write your theme down each week, and after 10 weeks, you'll know 10 themes and start to speak and understand more, feeling proud of yourself. Remember, don't study everything at once. Focus on one theme each week, use it, and enjoy it. Next, let's discuss something very important that many people forget, but that can help you learn faster and remember more. Connecting English to your emotions. Emotions are your feelings. Happy, sad, angry, excited, nervous, scared, or proud. When you feel an emotion, your brain remembers better. For example, if you hear a joke in English and laugh, you won't forget that sentence because you felt joy. Or if you listen to a story about a mother and child and feel love, that feeling helps you learn deeply. To connect emotions to English, watch short videos or movie scenes, not just to learn words. but to feel something. Even if you don't understand everything, watch the faces, listen to the voices, and feel the moment. Listen to English music, which often talks about love, hope, sadness, or joy, and listen with your heart. Read simple stories full of emotions that make you feel surprised, calm, or curious. Also, talk or write about your own feelings. Like, I feel tired, or my friend is sad. Using your feelings in English makes learning personal and real. This emotional connection is powerful and helps you live the language, not just learn it. So don't be afraid to feel something while learning. Those feelings are part of your journey. Now, let's talk about something very important that can help you learn English every day without stress, pressure, or long study sessions. Small moments. You don't need to study for hours or sit at a desk for a long time. Instead, have small English moments, short times of 1 to 5 minutes that help you grow and improve. For example, in the morning when you wake up and brush your teeth, say one simple sentence in English like, I feel sleepy, or I have a meeting today. During the day, when you walk to the bus stop and look at the sky, think or say, the sun is shining, or it is cloudy. When you open your lunch, name the food in English in your mind, like, I like oranges, or the tea is hot. Before bed, say 2 or 3 sentences about your day, such as, I worked today, or I read a book. These small moments, just a few minutes each, add up to powerful learning. When you do this every day, English becomes a natural part of your life, like brushing your teeth or drinking water. This is the secret. Small, simple, beautiful English moments every day without pressure or stress. Finally, many people start learning English with a book or an app. But today, I want you to try something different. Start with your own world. Look around your home, your street, your kitchen, and the people you talk to every day. These real things are great for learning. Ask yourself, what do I call this in English? For example, when you open the fridge, look at one item and ask, what is this called in English? Maybe it's milk or cheese. If you don't know the word, look it up. Just one word at a time. One word today and one word tomorrow will become many words over time. When you go outside, look at your street and name what you see. A tree, a car, a dog, a bus, or a traffic light. Say the word out loud or silently in your mind. This way, English becomes part of your daily life, not just a subject you study. You are living with English, and that is the best way to learn. So, my dear friend, you have listened to this whole episode, which means you are already learning and on the right path. You don't need to be perfect or know everything. Just keep going step by step, day by day, moment by moment. Remember, you are not alone. Many people are learning slowly, kindly, and with love. You are doing something beautiful, and I am proud of you. Thank you for being here, for listening, and for learning. I'm Ben, and this is English Unleashed. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now!